Diabetes is a common disorder in which blood sugar rises due to improper functioning of pancreas. To control diabetes, diet should be maintained. Avoid carbohydrate or fat-based diet like rice, sugar, potatoes, chocolate, sweets, biscuits, oily foods, and others. Diabetes patients should take fenugreek or the methi leaves or the seeds, bitter gourd or karela. Aloe vera juice proves to be very helpful. Amla is also effective in any form. Sage or the tejpata leaves in the fruits, guava and jamun, which improve the functioning of pancreatic glands. In breathing exercise, Kapalbhati is very effective. Diabetic patients should practice it in 15 to 30 minutes daily. In exercise, asana, jogging, cycling, walking, daily activities and Manduk asana prove to be effective. In Manduk asana, generally we sit in Vajrasana with folding feet inside. Mid fist with both the palm, keeping thumb inside and finger outside. Now take breath. Stomach goes inside. Keep the fist each on the right and the left side of navel with pressing inside. Release breath slowly when moving forward. Completely release the breath and hold it outside. Look straight and don't touch the chin with the floor. Hold this position for few seconds to maximum 1 minute. Now come back, take breath. Do it at least 2 to 3 times daily with empty stomach or 4 to 5 hours gap after the meal. But in this common somehow frog pose is missing. Maybe due to difficult step or at least sitting in this Vajrasana with exercise gives lots of benefit. In actual Manduk Asana, after sitting in Vajrasana, keep apart both the thighs, touch your back hip portion to the ground, turn your feet in inward position. It gives actual look of frog pose and sitting in this pose activates abdominal area, liver, pancreas and reproductive parts. Mandukasana means flexibility of four limbs like frog which affects our abdominal part. It represents the exercise which proves to be effective in treating diabetes.